Hello everyone, this is Preeti from Ediroop Learning and I'm a Java and Merge Tech Trainer also. Today in this session, we will be having some real-time examples on ReactJS. So first, what we have to do, the create the first project, how to create the React application that we need to do it now. What I'll do, I already have a folder here, React real-time example folder. In that folder, I just want to create the React application over here. Okay, so in this folder, I'm going to create one file. Let's create the React application. You have to open the terminal. Here you can go and click on the new terminal. Okay, firstly, you need to create the application. How we can create? Use the commands over here. npm init wait. Okay, it will be asking you people project name. Project name I'm just giving here as a project. Let's say my project. You can give anything. I'm just giving here my project. After that, select the framework it is going to ask you people. In this framework, I'm going to select the front-end framework over here as a React. Select a variant as a JavaScript. Okay. And it is going to display some commands over here that you need to follow. Cd, change the directory to the my project, and npm install. Just type it. Installation takes time. Please wait. Okay, we done with the installation. Now what I have to do here, the steps you need to follow. npm install is done. Then I just want to display npm random. You just follow the link over here. It is going to display. This is the http single colon localhost 5173. So I'm just following link here. Just open that link. It is going to open in your respective browsers, which is your default browser that it is going to be opened. So it is main. I just want to minimize it. Can you see that? This is going to be the default page of your React application. Here, I don't want these things and all. So let's see. Once installation is done, all files it is going to create. In the SRC, the main file is very important. Okay, this will close it. I don't want this CSS file and index.css file. Default it is arranged here, so we can take it out. In the app.jsx also, I don't want anything else. Just removing it. Now you see CSS style and everything it is gone. Now in the app.css, I'm just saving the files. Okay, in the app.jsx also, I don't have anything. In the main.jsx, this I'm going to take out. Now it is a blank page. Okay, now blank page it is. I'm going to create now React examples. This everything I will remove it. This is not necessary. Import is not necessary. Okay, this is also I'll just take it out. Okay, let it be. Import statements, let it be. Now I'm going to create very simple example to display the React application. First, I just want to use the function here. Function, how to display? Function keyword you have to use. Then give the function name. In that function name, function means what it is? A set of instruction. Yes or no? Set of instructions that we have to follow it here. Okay. Here return. In this return statement, I am going to return the one heading, guys. One heading. Okay. Let's say hello React. I'm going to return one heading. In that heading, you can take anything, paragraph, any tags over in HTML. Okay. Here, I want to render this thing. So we have a create root. Create root. Inside that, I'm going to take document dot get element by id. Very important because I'm taking the id over here. Id by default, if you create application, the default will be root, and use the render method. Rendering of what you have to render, function, what you are taking the function name, that you have to just render it. Yeah, done. But you know, this create root, we need to import it. How to import this? It's very simple. Use the import keyword, and here create root. Here it will display. Just type it. Yeah. Automatically it is going to import in your file. Save. Now I just want to display. So it is going to return hello world. See that? No, nothing. Correct? Okay, I'm going to save the file correctly. Then you have to check. Okay, it is going to display hello world. Okay, I will change here as hello React. React and exclamatory. Now if you see hello React, it is going to update every time. Whenever you do the changes, so if save the file, then it is going to update in your file, respective file. So got the point? Here it's a very simple example I took. Like way, we will be having some other examples. Okay. Next, I'm going to create one simple table. How we can create with the help of tags. I'll just remove these things. This is not necessary. Okay. Here, I'll take a keyword constant. In that constant keyword, I'll just write my table. Inside that my table, I'm going to display, whenever we are talking about table means we will be having a table tag. Inside the table tag, what I'll be having a row. Okay, inside a row, we will be having table heading. Okay, that I'll take it as name. Okay, and again, I'm going to take a row TD. Inside the TD, I'm going to write my name, Rithi, and after that, I'm going to create one more row. There, I'm going to take one name as Divya. Okay, done. The table I created, but I have not used render method, right? So for that, we need to use create root. Create root, inside that you call the id, document dot get element by id name, what we have, root inside you are going to take a render method. Render of what we have to take it here, my table. my table. Okay, I'm going to save it. Now you see, okay, here it is. You go to inspect mode. What are the errors? You check it once. Something it is showing. What is the type error? Document dot get element by id dot render method. It's not a function it is showing. Okay, we will fix up these things. Okay, this line we are getting a error, correct? Create root document dot get element by id dot render my table. Okay, this this name and this name should be same. If it is uppercase, lowercase, everything we need to check. Okay, I'm just saving the file. Now I'll just go to my page. See, name it is going to. I'll be having a two names over here, Preeti and Divya. Again, I just want to add one more heading. How to add? Very simple. Again, th, which means table heading. Okay, in the table heading, I'll just add course. Okay. Here I'll add duration. Save. And with respect to the course, I need to add the TDs over here. Course will be Java. Duration will be 3 months. You can write it. Save. Again, here I'll going to take two TDs. Here I'll take MERN and this is also 2 months. Okay, done. Now you see that it is going to create the headings. With respect to that heading, it is going to add the data also. But see that no border. For that we need to give the border, where we are giving border, apply the border 2 pixels. See, it is going to take some error. Why it is going to be taking as error? Property and value you have to give. Perfect. Okay. See here, we are getting error. Error because when you are mentioning px, it is going to be showing you error. You avoid it, okay? Just write 2 or else we will take 3 pixels. You just see here, it is going to apply the border for you people. Like way, suppose I just wanted cell spacing. It comes cell spacing I just want to add. Let's say 2 or else 10. Like way, cell padding I just want. Cell padding, let's say 5. See how nicely it is going to display. This gap and all I don't want. For that also, we will be giving here, let's give 0 0. What happens is it perfectly, but I just want padding over here. Let's give a padding 5. Perfect table for you people. So like this we can create with React examples using the React application. Okay, this is just I have just taken a table. Like way, I just want to take one more example. Let's take it. This I'll just remove. Okay, now it is a fresh page. If you see, nothing else. It is a blank page now. So let's create one simple example. I'm going to take one header. You know that arrow function, how we are using it. You can use a function also, arrow function also. Better to go with the arrow function. Return, use the fragments. Suppose you wanted to return many things over the page. So heading, I'm just using hello React JS. Okay, save. Next, what I'm going to take a paragraph. Type it. Paragraph. Add, let's say, add little style. Okay, only single tick is better. Okay, once done with this, what we have to do? Create root. Use it. Create root. Inside that document dot get element by id. Id name is what? Root. And the function name is what? Render the function. Function rendering is very important. What's the function name? Header. Write it. Explicitly you have to write. Okay, done. Now I just want to see my page. Just I'm going and just see hello React.js is a heading and add little style is a paragraph. For this I just want to add a color. How to add the color? In the, see, I'm just doing the inline CSS. Inline CSS means inside the particular tag we have to give the style. I just want to use it. Use the curly brackets. Give the color as your wish, whichever the color you want. Okay, I just given red. Now you see. Okay, see, directly you cannot give. You just give it as with the double quotes. You have to mention, guys. See, now it is a hello React.js. Yeah, it is displayed in the red color. But this also I just want. How to do that? Inside a particular tag, paragraph tag, I'm going to use style. Style inside again you have to use a curly braces. Then you just give the color, whatever the color if you want. So I just want to give here color as magenta. You see that? It is going to add the color. Likewise, I just want to add the background color also. How we can add? How we can add background color? I just want to add it now. Select, so we will take it out. Okay, color I have added already, and then I just want to just separate with a comma and add the background color. Background color, use the single colon and add it here. Aqua. Okay, it is going to display in your page. This is how we can add it. Okay, this is the very simple example. Like way we can create more examples with the React application. I hope this session you liked it. So for more videos, you follow up the videos.